Instagram has added a new feature that can automatically scroll your Reels feed for you. Want to try it out? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Now let's get started. To enable auto scroll for Instagram Reels, first make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest version. Then open Instagram and go to the Reels tab. Tap the three dots on the right. Then tap the switch labeled Auto Scroll. Once you turn this on, the app will automatically scroll to the next video once you reach the end of a reel, making it easy to check out your feed hands-free. That's all it takes to enable auto scroll for Instagram Reels. Need help finding your Reels watch history? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.